Hey, booze. Oh my goodness, I tried something different this time. Instead of going live with like an intro, I decided to skip the intro. OMG. Hey, how you doing? I'm so excited you're here. Let's see what we doing. Let's see. I'm naked without music. So you know what? Let's just find some. That sounds good. Anyways, how you doing? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Can you believe it's a week before Christmas? Like, seriously. Oh my God. So anyways, I'm so glad you're here. I am, I've been sitting in that chair, like right on the other side of this screen since Friday. Okay. Oh my goodness. A girlie just need to get up. Okay. Anyways, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you don't know me, my name is Michelle Lawrence with LBC Branding. I help you stand out so that you can make your mark in the world. The way I do that is with my MARK method, which stands for mindset, authenticity, revenue, and knowledge. I do that via classes and courses and social learning, just like this. So what are you waiting for? It's time for you to make your mark. So yeah, we be out here doing all kinds of stuff, and it is at the taping of this show, December 18th. We're in the middle of Vlogmas, and I had lofty goals for Vlogmas. I really did. And I'm producing more than I ever have, like ever have. And but yeah. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's just crazy pants. It's just crazy. Oh my goodness. Hey, boo. Hey, I see you in the house. Mabu hi, my sissy. I'm so excited you're here. So yeah, so I wanted to kind of give you a little Vlogmas update. And last week we talked about some new stuff that was in Canva. And it was Canva Docs that we were supposed to talk about today. And as it relates to what I'm doing and what I'm creating. So I wanted to kind of show you around just a little bit. I'm still playing with it. It's not like, it's still in beta. A lot of the things, like creating presentations and stuff, that stuff is still in beta, but I kind of want to show you what I stumbled upon so far as it relates to, what I'm doing. So anyways, I'm so glad you guys are here. I just kind of want to show you a little something behind the scene as one who creates presentations every single week. And so they came out with this thing called Canva Docs, which is supposed to be sort of like a rival to like Google Docs and things like that, where you can like have a whole document that has like all this information in it. And you can use it for planning, which it sounds like right up my alley. And then you can take the information on said plan and turn it into a presentation. So I make presentations every single week. And so I thought, ooh, I think I want this. I think I want this. So I started playing with it a little bit. So I kind of want to show you around just a little bit, kind of what I've done so far and in playing with it. But if you are, in case you missed what we did last weekend, did I make a promo for that? I don't think I did, but there's something else that's been going on around these parts, and I kind of want you to see it. So check this out. Right? Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so excited. So I have, in case you don't know, I have a course that's out, and it has to do with how to brand your show and all of the things that you need to do to brand your show. It's a lot. It's a lot. So, you could come out here and just be out here riding dirty. Just come out. Just, it's okay. It's okay. But at the same time, if you kind of want to have some structure to it, all about structure. I'm all about structure. So anyways, so I don't know if you remember last week we were talking about whiteboards and how you could kind of start building things up from there, right? And I'm trying to see if I could find it, if I have it open, and I'm trying to go ahead and get to where I was. Here it is. Boom. Yeah, let's go there. Okay. So remember we were talking about this last week, right? And hang on, let's go ahead and pull this up because I made so many different things to kind of go with this, right? So remember we were here, we talked about the figuring out who your persona was, who you wanted to talk to, and then ideation, trying to figure out like what you want to do for your show, that sort of thing. In case you missed that, you can watch last week's video, right? However, I'm gonna do a little deeper dive into this right here. So remember we talked about like different things. So our person that our arbitrary person that we're making this arbitrary show for, her name is Lisa. Okay, and here she is. Oops, come on back here. She's a respiratory therapist in Atlanta, and this is how much she makes, and here's some of her demographic information and all of that. She is frustrated because she doesn't have time for herself, and she has tried other systems. She wants to try to figure out a way to find time for herself, right? And so it's the end of the year, it's Christmas time. And so, goal setting is upon us, as, most of us are doing some goal setting. And so she wants to try to figure out what she needs to do. So remember last week we talked about doing some ideation using the Canva whiteboards, right? So this week, what we're going to do, we're going to take it a step further and go to the Canva docs and figure out how we can make an outline, right? So we're going to go with this one as one of the shows that we're going to probably try to brainstorm, right? So what I need to do here, hang on one second. Let's go ahead and put a little something there, like one of these. Hang on one second. Let me make a duplicate of that. And we're going to do something with this today, right? Okay. So now we're going to go, I made another one of these. And so now we're going to like focus in on this frustration that she has, right? And so now we're going to talk about how to create a vision board, right? So that's one of the things that you could do for Lisa to kind of help her, figure some things out for herself. Because remember on that other page, we had like all of these different ideas of all these different types of shows that we could, as showrunners, that we could make for her, right? And this is just one of many, right? So I started to kind of play around with the idea of, create a vision board, right? And, and then where that led me, right? So it led me to the sticky note, but I was like, I think I want to try this. I want to try this thing that they have called Canva Docs, right? So this is my first Canva doc. I know when I saw it, like maybe 2 weeks ago, when it showed up on my thing on my homepage. Well, let me show you my homepage. All right. All right. So I've been playing a lot, right? So I've been playing a lot on Canva. And so this is the Canva Docs homepage, right? So if you have this, great. If you don't have it, it's coming. Okay. It's still in beta, and they're slowly releasing it for everyone. And I know that everyone's going to get it eventually. I just don't know if you have it yet, but it's right up here at the very top where it says, what will you design today? Well, let's do a Canva doc, right? So look at the two things that are new, guys. Oh my God, right? So here's the first one, which is the actual doc itself. And then have this docs to deck, meaning that you could create your document and then you could turn it into like a slide deck, right? So remember I told you that I make presentations a week. So I was real interested to find out how this was going to work. Okay. So I, cause I wanted to like play around and see what it's all about. Right. And so here it talks about it. It says here, you could try it, all this good stuff. And they have templates, right? So of course, being that I am proficient in making presentations, I'm like, I want to start from scratch. But I kind of want to show you, like, they have all the stuff here, right, that you could like do these are all templates that you could create, right? You don't have to start from scratch. You could start with one of these. And yeah, it's like this is kind of cool. So, ooh, what's this? See, I do this and then I get squirrel syndrome. Oh my God, I don't want to look at this. I really don't want to look at it. I really do want to look at it. Hold on. What is that? Ooh. Oh, this is nice. Okay. Okay. So yeah, so see, look, it even shows you all the things. You know what? Maybe I should have started from one of these. But anyways, so here is one of the templates. Okay. I'm going to go back to the one that I created and show you something else that was absolutely magical that kind of came with Canva Docs. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't wait to show it. I can't wait to show it to you. So anyway, so let's have this thing, right? So let's say, for instance, I don't know, this has nothing to do with Lisa, but I just wanted to show you around a little bit, right? And we'll get back to Lisa in a second. All right, so here it is. You can start with a template, right? And you can then change it up. So we could say, let's see, here, I'd have to go into here and then edit design. Okay, so this is something that I noticed that you couldn't just like click on it and just like change the design. You had to go into that a little ellipsis to do that. And so remember, we're doing a vision board for her, right? Hold on. Board. Okay. So we're doing a vision board for her, yada yada. We'll change the branding and all that good stuff in a little bit, but we just wanted to do it, right? And so then you hit save, and then it'll change it up, right? And so then you can then figure out when you want to do the show, and you could put more information about who the show is for here if you wanted to. What's the objective of the show? Whatever, right? You could go into details and stuff like that. But the cool thing about the way this is all set up is that everywhere there's a heading, that could potentially turn into a slide. And that's sort of like the premise of all of this, is that you can take one document, put all the things that you need into the document, and if you need to create a presentation out of it, you go to this thingy right here where it says convert to presentation, and then it'll give you an idea as to what it could possibly look like, right? And then so here, then you'll say get started, and then it'll give you some options. So basically, it took all of the headings. So anything, any heading that you had on your document, it took all of those headings and created a slide from it, right? So here, there are 11 slides on each one of these, but then they have like all these different ones. So you can kind of if you click on this one, which was like the first one, you can have an idea as to what the slides would look like, right? Of course, you can tweak all of this, but it automatically put them into slides for you, which I was like, oh, that's kind of cute. That's kind of cute, right? But I like doing my own stuff because I like the way it looks, but I thought it would be really nice to kind of like go through and just kind of see what it could do, right? What it could do. So if you didn't have, let's say, for instance, you didn't have a clue as to like what you're doing or whatever, this could be something that you could use, right? And it's just showing you all the different, it just created all these different presentations and you can then tweak them, right? I thought that was kind of cute. So that's just one of the templates that they have. So let's go to the one that I created, okay? So this was my first doc. I know. I absolutely love it. And so I want to also introduce you to something else that kind of came with it, right? So if you notice, there's this big plus sign right here, and this sort of like starts off everything where you could just type whatever you want, and to create your document. So I wanted to, I've been doing this series currently on YouTube of time management tips. And so there are 20 tips, actually 21. And so I've already created all of them. They're all done. And that's what I've been doing for Vlogmas, along with, creating these little vignettes, these little tips related to this course that I've created, right? But they have this thing called Magic Write. And oh my God, it is magical. Now, I used Magic Write to write this mini blog post in Canva. Now, I still use it, right? My favorite thing to do AI type stuff is Jasper, okay? And yeah, now Canva got it. So I want you to see this, okay? Now Canva got it. So remember, we're going back to Lisa, right? And remember, I wanted to make sure that Lisa, why she needed a vision board. She needed to create some time for herself or whatever, but she needed to be able to figure out some goals for herself. So I asked a question. I was like, and I asked the Canva AI Magic Write, and this is what it produced. Okay, so we're gonna do something together right now. If you want to ask any question, let's say, you know what? Where is it? Hold on. Where is it? Let's go back to the questions, right? And I already did the one for the vision board, right? Types of planners. Yeah, why don't we do that one? I don't know if Canva would know about this, but we out here, we living on the edge, okay? All right, so let's go back to, nope, not that one. Ah, crikey, where'd it go? Oh, here it is, right here. Okay, let's go back to here. All right, so I'm gonna show you this in action. All right, so we're not doing that. We're gonna do another, this right here, it spit out those 5 things, right? And so how I did it, this is how I did it. All right, so I clicked on here, right? And then look, it says, I can just hit the / and it's like the Magic Write, right? I can just come down to here, or I can do all these things. So these are, when you click on that plus sign, these are the things that you get: Magic Write, design, header, subheader, body text, embed, table, checklist, bulleted list, numbered list, emoji, pie chart, all the different things, right? Look at this. Look at all this stuff. Okay, look at this. All right, so we doing Magic Write. Look, this is in beta, y'all. Oh my God. Do you see this? Do you see this? So basically what it is that you can ask Magic Write, okay, a question, and it will spit out stuff. Now, you should double check it to make sure that it's right, but it's AI powered writing assistant. It's an AI powered writing assistant that will help you kind of like kick off ideas. So remember, you're trying to do a show for Lisa, right? And so now you want to like generate some ideas and stuff like that. And let's say you don't know what to write. So let's try it out. All right. So, so you could hit this button right here and it'll automatically fill in some stuff, or you can type in whatever it is that you want, right? So remember, we copied and paste types of planners, right? So, but I just want to show you what you can do, right? So I'm just going to click this right here and look. Oh my God, my friend Keely would like this. Ooh, 5 Twitter posts announcing the product launch of a new alarm. Ooh, wait a minute. Let's not do that. Let's do 5 Twitter posts announcing the launch of this new show. Oh my God. We could do that. Or you can try another one. Look at this. Brainstorm ideas for marketing new running shoes and all this other stuff. You can try all kinds of stuff. So how about, let's just change it. Let's brainstorm ideas for types of planners that Lisa could use, right? Right? Paste. For types of planners, that, let's see, what do we, to be more productive, types of planners, one can use to be more productive. Okay. Oh, come on. All right. Let's see what happens. And so to confirm, we just hit return and then see what happens. Oh. All right. So it's thinking. It's thinking. Oh. Okay. It says no matter what type of planner you choose, it can be a great tool to help you stay organized and productive. Good luck. Really? That's it? Before it did something more. It did. Oh, look. Oh, look. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh my God. Did you see this? Yo, it kicked out 6 different things. Yo, okay. This is a show that we could do for Lisa, right? Look, it talked about, types of planners that you can use, right? Daily planners, monthly planners, goal-oriented planners, meal planners, academic planners, and financial planners. Yo, are y'all like gagging? Are y'all gagging? Because I'm gagging, okay? Now, I already use an AI tool called Jasper, and I absolutely love Jasper because Jasper helps me when I have a little bit of brain fog, and it helps me come up with like some things, and then I go nuts with it, right? But you could do the same thing in Canva. I know, right? I know. Oh my gosh. So that was one of the things that came with Canva Docs, right? And so remember, this is on one of the docs. And so now you can create your own slides based on that. Now, the jury's still out on the whole slide presentation thing because I do a really good job on making my own slides. So, but I kind of like the fact that now you have this AI tool already built into it. And of course, Canva has all kinds of slides, all kinds of presentation things that you could use too. So not only can you start your document and start putting your thoughts in one place, my whole thing is I like planning out my stuff, and I use not only a digital version of a planner, but I use paper. I use paper, and the other digital piece along with Canva for me is Trello. So I would get something and then I would merge it into Trello, and then I'll be able to like add and do different things to it. But, but I really, really love this for like, coming up with ideas and different things, and it's all in one spot, and I don't have to go back and forth to different things because it's all in one place. What do you guys think about this? I mean, is anybody else as geeked about this as I am? Because I love this. I really love it. So I'm just excited. With all of the possibilities, right? And the other thing I love about this is that not only can you, brainstorm the ideas and start putting all the things together, but then now you could bring in your statistics, and they have like all of these different things that Canva already, like all these businesses that Canva has already acquired, that you can put in graphs and you can put in all this other stuff. And then all of that now could then feed into your slides, when you make your presentation. So I'm just curious, man. I'm just like, I don't know, right? Oh my gosh. So I see, girl, right? So let me see. Yes. So Magic Write can potentially be a replacement for Jasper. It can be. I kind of want to see. I mean, I got the the Cadillac or Lexus version of Jasper. So I need to see a little bit more because this is like beta just rolling out, right? And so I need to see a little bit more because, Jasper, you could do so much with. You could do, you can write YouTube descriptions and come up with like different things and write stuff in like a different person. So like in the first person, second person, whatever. You could do so much with Jasper, but this potentially, it has the potential to be pretty cool. So I just want to kind of see what else comes out of this and then go from there. But I think this is just a wonderful addition to, the list of tools that Canva's putting out. I mean, they don't disappoint. I'm sorry, Canva don't disappoint. They are so good. And so I don't know. I'm really loving it. So anyways, so that is kind of what I've been working on, and I've been doing so much stuff in the background, making all this stuff. I finishing up the course and writing another book. It's a lot. It's a lot. And yeah, I am tired. I am looking forward to a break. As a matter of fact, I wanted to also tell you about this. So next week is Christmas. So I won't be here next week. Okay. So I just wanted you to know, I want you to have a very, very happy holiday. For those of you, oh my goodness, happy Hanukkah to my Jewish friends. I'm so excited that, the holidays are here. And then Merry Christmas to all of my Christian friends, and just happy holidays to everyone in general. So I won't be here next week. I will hopefully be having fun with my family. And the following week, oh my goodness, it's New Year's Eve, I think. Yeah, I think. I don't know. I don't know what day it is. But you know what? It's going to be a well-deserved break. So I'm going to have, the next couple of weeks off. And then I will be back again in January. Okay. So, oh my goodness. Of course, I'll still be putting stuff out, so I won't be MIA for too long, but I hope you guys take a break and really enjoy your holiday season and really, just enjoy your friends and check on your family. And yeah, just have a good time. So anyways, thank you so much for coming back and hanging out with me. And yeah, we're going to take a 2-week break, a 2-week hiatus for the holiday. And then we'll be back in January, kicking and screaming. Whoa! All right. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah and happy Kwanzaa and happy holidays. Happy holidays to everybody. Okay. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited that you came to hang out with me. And yeah, I will be making all kinds of stuff for my friend Lisa, the show that I'm making. Yeah. I'll be doing all different things and playing in Canva and showing you all the stuff. So you know what? There might be some shorts coming out. You might see some shorts that'll, kind of talk through that. So anyways, I'm so excited that you were here. Thank you so much for coming. And yeah, happy holidays. Deuces. I don't know why that happened. This is the second time. I did it. But you know what? It is perfect. Because if you don't have Canva, that's what you need to do right there. Go to lbcbranding.link/Canva. And yeah, now we out. Bye.